What's up, YouTube? This is JP Quick Brick coming at you from Mission Bay. We got an amazing build here. This is probably the most amazing build I've ever seen in my life, just short of a house. It's got all the circuits, everything is Project Overkill. I love it. These guys are on top, working on the solar. Project manager right there. And this is just ridiculous. And you said this is 12,000 watt inverter?
Yeah. It outputs 240 household.
You got like full circuits. We have a fully functional sub panel here within this vehicle. All the wiring ran just like you'd have in a house. Recessed lighting, solar. Absolutely amazing. So if you need a build done, these guys know what they're doing. Absolutely incredible.